All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Fantom. Okay, this is FTX coin. I really like the Fantom blockchain, right? I think it has great potential for the future, right? So that's the reason we're covering this coin. Right. Basically, just trying to give you guys an update on it. Okay, so if you have a crypto or a stock you guys want me to analyze and chart up for you, let me know in the comments below. I do a lot of viewer requests, and I'll be happy to chart up a crypto or a stock for you. No problem. Right. So in my last video on FTX, I showed you guys, hey, we had the head and shoulders. Okay. And that went ahead and played out perfectly. And then I was like, all right, these are going to be our breakout levels and then bullish price targets. And, all of these hit. Okay. So those hit nicely. That's what the blue line is a breakout level. And then green lines are bullish price targets where you can try to start taking some profits, right? As you can see, we found resistance at those bullish price targets very well. We came above it. And now, again, we're forming another head and shoulders. Okay. So here it is, right? Here's our left shoulder. Here's our head. Okay, and if we come down and do something like this, it's going to be the same thing all over again. We're going to have another head and shoulders. Okay, so I want you guys to be cautious and be prepared for that in case that does happen. You need to have a stop loss on, or you need to have a trailing stop loss on, or just an exit plan. Okay, maybe you're a long-term holder and you don't plan on selling anytime soon, right? But you want to know where to buy in at, right? I would be cautious of adding any more right now, because if we, let's say we fall some more, find some support, recover a little bit, and come up and then get rejected and drop down, we're gonna have a head and shoulders play out, and that could take us all the way back down to let's see, like $1.36 to $1.50 area, anywhere from like $1.25 to $1.50 basically. Okay, so that's then, that could be the next price that that Fantom is heading towards, and I want you guys to be prepared for it and be cautious of it. If you don't know what a head and shoulders pattern is, right, and you're kind of just looking confused, I got a video up in the top right hand corner. It basically explains how to trade a head and shoulders, and it's super short. Okay, but that's the main thing I want you guys to look out for. Okay, is we have a left shoulder already, we have a head, and if we come back down to here and we find some support around like 230 and bounce and then get rejected again and fall back down, that head and shoulders is going to be looking a lot more valid. And we could we'll have confirmation once we break the neckline above 2.05. Okay, so we come down, bounce, get rejected, and come back down, and we break the neckline at 205. And most likely we're heading down to 125 to 150. Okay, so be prepared for that, guys. If you want to trade with us in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. The link to join is going to be below in the description. If you use code Zachly, you can get yourself a discount on the membership. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.